Oh boy. We actually have two fish on. We got two fish on right now. One on this one, and I'm pretty sure there's one on that one. And the rest of the madness I'll explain in a minute. Let me try to get these fish up. I'm sweating like a banshee now. This rain gear on, it's top raining, all this madness. All right. Good grief. Whew. There's one fish. It's a 9-pound channel cat. It's a pretty decent fish right there. Nice male. All right, let's get this one back. We got this one flopping on the floor. About the same size blue cat. Yeah, a little 9-pound blue cat. All right. So let's explain what this chaotic minute for me just happened right here. So we're coming up. Caught them two fish. So, you know, I was trying, those first two fish. So I try and deal with them two blue cats. So they're both in the live well, they're both chilling. And then I look down and there's this monster piece of structure across the bottom of the screen, which I knew was here, but I thought I had a waypoint where it was at. So I got to figure that out, why it's not there, and I'll probably just take a second when we get down here since all the rods are up and waypoint it so I have it, but I thought I had it before. Well, what I did was, I didn't want, if I would have ran all my other lines into it, I would have had, everything would have been snapped. So I hit spot lock, and of course there's no current out here, we're on the lake. So the boat starts spinning. So I go to reel 4 rods out, I reel in the first 2, you know, no biggie. Well, and I didn't even know, so, I mean, I must have been fooling with them fish. But I'm actually gonna waypoint it right now because we're on top of it. Just so I know. I didn't know the 2 outside boards had fish on them. So when I started reeling that one up, I felt a fish, so I put it back down to go get this one up before the boat spun around and tangled everything together. And then that side had a fish on it. So when they hit, I mean, I've had so many hits lately, they could have been hitting just swimming with the boat. I don't know. I don't know what the heck's going on, but basically I just need to get the rods up. We had the fish, so now we got rods everywhere. You can see lines everywhere, bait chewed up. But in the meantime, in about 3 minutes there, I had 4 fish. Probably longer than that, probably 10 minutes. 4 fish just, I guess on the good thing, I'm glad there wasn't no monster on there, because then I would have just thrown another whole cakewalk into the middle of that madness. But that's the way it is sometimes. You know, you're out here dragging baits, and you come across something and you're like, oh crap, I can't run over that, because if I run over that, you know, I'm gonna tangle up everything, or I'm gonna lose every rig I have. So with that, we're gonna let these fish chill in here for a minute. We'll get them released in a second here. I gotta clean up this madness.